We're gonna hit English. We are going to, can't see, we're going to Ekkamai. Perfect timing. Good morning, y'all, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. I'm in Bangkok, Thailand right now. I just wanted to make a simple video for y'all because I'll be traveling to Pattaya today. So this video is just a how to get from Bangkok to Pattaya. So I am starting off at Asok station, which is really the heart of Bangkok, downtown. So I am right now on Sukhumvit Road and I am at the Asok BTS station. So I'm gonna go in and head upstairs to buy a ticket to go to Ekkamai. Ekkamai station is where the bus station is to get to Pattaya. Man, guys, I wasn't sure about making this video because I'm hungover as shit. I went out last night with Chris from YouTube channel Travel with Chris. He was in town for the day. And man, we had a night. Man, there's a lot of people in line here. Man, there's a lot of people in line. So normally I would wait in line just to get my ticket from the girl at the counter. That line is way too long. So I'm gonna use one of these automated machines. You can just put your cash into it. All right, we're gonna hit English. We are going to Ekkamai. Okay, card fare. We're gonna put our cash in. Gives us our card and our change. Nice and easy. It gives you this little card and you just scan it to go through the gates. Well, there's always two ways you can go. You can go up that stairs or up those stairs. That's different areas or different directions of the tram. So you have to make sure and come over here to see which one you're going to. Ekkamai is here. Look at here. Kiha is where you need to end up. So you go right here. It says to Kiha. Pretty simple. Confusing for some, but once you do it once or twice, you get the hang of it. Perfect timing.
Not lean against tension, and both straps, handrails, or stand up while standing. Thank you.
The Ekkamai station is only 3 or 4 stops up from Asok, by the way. So you're not going to be on the BTS for very long at all. All right, just got off. All right, sometimes you might get confused on which side of the rail system the bus station is. So just literally look it up on your Apple Maps or Google Maps to see, because you have to take the right set of stairs down in order to be on the right side of the street. So that's what I did there. Ooh, it feels good out today. Sunny with a little bit of a breeze. All right, so we're gonna take our card, the one that we just tapped earlier, and on this one we actually put it in the little thing there. It eats the card and lets you through. I'm going to be exiting to the left here. All right. And the bus station is only like a 1-minute walk from the BTS. Super, super easy. And the bus station is only about a minute away from the BTS, so I'll go ahead and keep the camera on so you can see where to go. So you just go past this little strip of shops and the 7-Eleven, and the bus terminal is just after that. Now you do have two choices on what to take. You can take a big bus or a little van. Prefer the big bus because it's more comfortable. It looks like they're having some kind of construction going on. All the bus tickets are here on the outside. Normally that wall isn't there, and they're in the inside, so I got to figure out which bus to take. And it should only be about 130 to 150 baht. All right. So there's Pattaya. There's Pattaya, but it's on a little 13-seat van. Ekkamai district. Rayong.
Pattaya now. Central Beach, Champion Beach, Pattaya.
Let's see, what time is it? There's a van leaving in 10 minutes. I don't see. Ah, here we go. Pattaya big bus, more comfortable. Excuse me. For 131 baht. Leaving at 12:20. Yeah, I'd rather wait 30 minutes than waiting 10 just to get on the big bus. Pattaya big bus. Big bus. Tiang 20 นาที
อร่อยไหมหมูปิ้งนะหมูทอดนะอร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก โอเค
ใช่ไหม
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก
ขอบคุณมากครับขอให้เป็นวันที่ดีครับ All right. So we got our bus ticket. It's assigned seating. You can see there. It's going to be on seat 19. There's the bus number 4833. Now we just go to the little area where you wait for a bus. Yeah, you can see they're doing a bunch of construction back in there. That's why that whole area over there is normally open and where you go through. So, all right, so you find yourself a seat, wait for the bus. There's a bunch of shops in here too if you're hungry or need a snack for the ride. And, yeah, in about 2 hours, 2-hour bus ride, you'll be to Pattaya. Then once we get on the other end, I'll kind of show you how I get to my hotel. All right, I was actually able to get on a bus that leaves a little bit sooner. I saw that there wasn't many people getting on the prior bus, so I just went up to the lady and said, hey, can I get on the next bus? I mean, on this bus instead? And she said, yes. Sometimes you just have to ask. All right, so it is assigned seating. Seat number 25. Seat 24, 21, 25. I'm here. Oh. Thank you. All right, so it took 2 hours and 40 minutes. A little bit longer than I was expected, but still not too bad. And they just drop us off here at the bus terminal. And from the bus terminal, it's not far from Central Pattaya. You just take a motorbike from here, and it should, you can use the Grab app. Give me a second here, and I'll see how much the Grab would cost. Let's see here. I'm gonna put in Malise Lodge. Choose this pickup. Saver bike, 42 baht. 42 baht. That's $1.20 or so. Not bad at all. All right. I hope this video was helpful. Again, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.